If you just wrapped up your challenging biotech degree but feel completely lost on where your career journey should launch from home, then stick around for a moment. Now, what if I could show you several legitimate, high-paying work from home opportunities in biotech that can earn you a fantastic salary in dollars or rupees right now? In this essential video, I am going to walk you through 7 specific, high-paying remote roles that are absolutely perfect for brand new biotech graduates like yourself. I'm scientific content writer. What you do: write blogs, articles, or educational materials about biotech, microbiology, or health science. Why it's great: you can start with 0 experience, just solid knowledge of science and good writing skills. Skills needed: English writing, research, referencing tools like Mendeley, and basic SEO, how to structure articles online. Earning potential: $15 Cs, $40 Suvenhour or Suvenhausen 3,300 300-hour freelancers. Earn 230,000 a month. From consistent writing, Sci-Bi to bioinformatics assistant, remote intern, Sci-Fi freelancer. What you do: analyze DNA or protein datasets for research labs or startups. Why it's great: even as a fresher, you can assist in data cleaning or sequence formatting projects. Skills needed: basic Python or R, BLAST, North Carolina by databases, and Excel. Earning potential, starting potential, $500 $1,000 per project, 40,000 dicing, 80,000 90,000 twin project, or 1,025,000 dive in month for remote interns. 3 online biology tutor, subject expert. What you do: teach biology or biotechnology subjects to students online. Why it's great: perfect for freshers who enjoy teaching and want flexible hours. Skills needed: subject clarity, communication, and screen sharing or digital whiteboard tools. Earning potential: 20,000, 70,000 tide month, or $10, $25, cited H and hour depending on platform. 4 regulatory and quality documentation assistant. What you do: help biotech or pharma companies create standard operating procedures, SOAPs, batch records, or compliance reports. Why it's great: it's remote, friendly, mostly document review, formatting, and research work. Skills needed: knowledge of GMP, documentation standards, Excel, and formatting in Word or Google Docs. Earning potential: 30,000, 60,000 to 60,000 twin month, or $400 $100 $800 swim month, freelance basis. 5 scientific video scriptwriter, Sci-Fi, voiceover creator. What you do: write or voice educational videos for YouTube, edtech companies, or science channels. Why it's great: if you enjoy explaining biotech concepts, this is a creative and flexible gig. Skills needed: science storytelling, simple English, scriptwriting tools like Notion or Google Docs, and optional voice recording setup. Earning potential: 20,000 20,001, $00000 sa, month $250, $150, $1,200, depending on clients. 6 Sci-Fi data entry, lab database coordinator, remote. What you do: manage biotech data, research samples, reports, and experiment logs. Why it's great: simple entry-level job. Perfect if you're starting out and want income while studying for exams or preparing for higher studies. Skills needed: Excel, Google Sheets, accuracy, and attention to detail. Earning potential: 5,000, 35,000 35,000 diamonds, $250 $400. 7 medical transcription or annotation jobs. iBiotech interfaces. What you do: convert or tag biological, medical, or lab reports for AI model training. Why it's great: IN biotech is growing fast, and transcription annotation is the first step to entering that space. Skills needed: understanding of medical biotech terms, typing speed, data labeling tools. Earning potential: 25,000, 60,000 7 month, or $400 $100 8 month. In local currency terms, this translates to a very competitive monthly salary band between 25,000 to 60,000 Indian rupees, depending on the volume and complexity of the data processed. Start your search by exploring large crowdsourcing platforms specializing in data labeling, such as Remotasks and Appin, or check the career pages for major data services like Emerit or Lionbridge. Before we conclude, here is a bonus strategy on exactly how a motivated fresher can successfully land their very first paying client in this competitive remote landscape. Your absolute first step must be to proactively create a small, tangible portfolio, showcasing one solid piece of work, like a sample article, a small coding project, or a mock compliance report. Once that small sample is polished, Immediately post it professionally to your LinkedIn profile or your GitHub account, where potential clients can easily review your capabilities. Next, adopt a proactive outreach strategy by messaging between 10 to 15 relevant recruiters every single week with a brief, confident, and direct message stating simply, "I can assist remotely," to exponentially increase your long-term opportunities. Commit to learning just one new in-demand technical skill every single month without fail. Mastering even fundamental tools like R programming, Python basics, or advanced Excel can genuinely multiply your remote job prospects by a factor of 10 or more over time. Remember that consistent, small, actionable steps taken today are what build the foundation for a secure and high-paying global career tomorrow. So start implementing immediately. So, those were the 7 distinct, high-paying, and genuinely accessible work from home gigs that are perfectly tailored for new biotechnology graduates in this era. Even as a complete fresher, starting from absolutely zero experience, you possess the knowledge foundation to begin small, rapidly accumulate valuable experience, and build that dream global career right from your personal laptop. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 fascinating avenues, scientific writing, online tutoring, or perhaps bioinformatics, piques your interest the most for a deep dive video guide? Please drop your choice clearly in the comment section below, and I will prioritize creating a comprehensive, detailed tutorial specifically on that subject for our next upload. Don't forget to like this video, share this valuable information with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for many more essential biotech career updates.